Hello everyone, I'm Bhavin Shah from aisyntra. Every company relies on data, but accessing that data isn't always simple. Teams depend heavily on developers and analysts. Simple queries take hours, sometimes days. Slow decisions, repetitive requests, and real-time insights, hard to get. But what if anyone in your organization could get answers from any of your databases? MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, SQL Server, anything, just by asking in simple, everyday language? Meet aisyntra's database chatbot, your AI-powered conversational data assistant. It understands natural language. How many customers signed up last month? Instantly converts it into the right query for your database, executes it safely, and returns clean, accurate answers. No technical knowledge required, no waiting on tech teams, no risk of manually written errors. Here's how it works. You ask a question, the chatbot reads your database structure, AI builds a safe query, executes it on your live database, and delivers instant insights. Ask anything. Show me the top 5 customers by purchase value and get answers in seconds. With our database chatbot, teams experience 70 to 90% faster access to operational data, 40 to 60% less repetitive work for developers, 0 human error in query writing, real-time insights for faster decision-making, a major boost in productivity across all teams. It removes technical barriers. It modernizes workflows. It empowers every team member to make data-driven decisions instantly. As companies move toward AI-first systems, aisyntra's database chatbot becomes essential, turning your database into a powerful conversational experience. So stop waiting for queries. Start unlocking instant insights. Let AI bring your data to life. Connect with aisyntra and experience the power of your database chatbot today.